Matapouri Bay!
Our afternoon started off great at Matapouri Bay. It is one of many pristine beaches at Tutukaka Coast. It is a stunning white sand coastal beach. We had left along its beautiful coastline to find the walkway towards the whale bay. We passed by the pebbly beach and headed up to a steep stairs on its left. Then the path follows a puttock fence with a short detour to a lookout on the right. Of course, we need to stop before finally heading our way to Whale Bay. Whale Bay is a secluded, curved, white sand beach backed with native bush. After eating our snacks, Neil decided to put out his drone and took some aerial shots. Then unexpectedly, two birds tried to chase the drone, and when Neil was avoiding them, it hit the branch of a tree and got stuck. attempted to recover it by hitting it with old tree branches, but had no luck at all, so we decided to just give up, leave it there, and go home. Why are you back here?
To rescue the drone! Let's keep it still there.
But you know what? Since it's just around 30 minutes away from Whangarei, we went back the next morning. We want to reach the whale bay at the earliest, so instead of passing by Matapouri, we took the shortest track, which is the whale bay walkway. While Gab was enjoying the beach, Neil can't give up his drone just yet. Unfortunately, even if he hit it for several times, it is tightly entangled in the tree. We can spend our whole day there, so with aching hearts, we bid our drone goodbye. How's your morning?
Still sad.
Why?
Because we didn't got the drone yet.
Yeah, we didn't get it back.
It's fine.
It's okay.
Yet again, we came back a week after to see if it's still there and try to save it, though we knew that even if we managed to get it down, it might not be working anymore. It's still stuck. But it's nearer. He's making a pole now, improvised. I hope this will work.
We finally got it.
But it's broken.
Yeah, badly damaged. You can't fly it anymore.
What about it folded lang?
No, but yeah.
Maybe we can just put a tape.
Okay. We saved it, but we were too late.
It's fine. Yeah, Brookline is up.
This hard, steep mountain.
Not all our adventures have happy endings, and this beach trip didn't end up well. But it doesn't change the fact that the beauty of Whale Bay and Matapouri Bay at Tutukaka Coast is just undeniably splendid. Can't wait for us to take a plunge when it's not too cold soon.